Hi everyone, my name is Shaleigh, and welcome back to my YouTube account. Sorry, I look so tired. It's like 7 in the morning where I live. So, hi. Yeah. Like I said in the description below in my first video, which I made last night, it said I would be making daily vlogs, and yes, this is a daily vlog, so I'm going to be making them daily, which will be very nice for you to see what I'm up to. And right now I'm on my computer. It's not really mine, but on the computer, and I'm just having some fun. Because in the mornings, like all day, every day, I just go with the computer all day. Oh, my blanket dropped. So sorry if I sound like sick. I'm not. I might have a cold because like it's like in the morning. And I'm used to recording like probably like a while ago in May. For like a few months now, I've been doing Sims 4. In the mornings, like, I've been pretending to record them, so I kind of know how to get rolling, with videos, and I kind of feel better with it. Like, I'm more, hold on, I'm playing my game. I'm not as kiddish, like, in my old account. If you check out one of my videos, I can do that in a minute. Well, my old videos were, like, really weird. Not just weird, but they were, like, kiddish. They were, like, I always coughed in them. Do you remember that, if you watch my old account? Because I always coughed in my videos, and I'm like, now? Seriously? Hold on. Sorry about that. Yeah. So, anyway, oh, you noticed me. Yes, I have a blanket. You might have seen it in my one of older videos. And I'm only a kid, okay? I can still... Yeah, so I have a blanket, and I love her so much. I had her since I was a baby, and she feels so soft. I'm starting to see what she's going to say. She wants me to trade my favorite sunglasses away on my favorite game. And they're like beta, and beta means like you can't get them anymore. Maybe. I'm so sorry. I realized that would be so loud right now on camera. But yeah, in the mornings I'm just looking at my eyebrows here. My eyebrows are adorable. And I kind of want to tell you like a how-to. Because my YouTuber license is how-to. And how-tos and popular girly stuff, so like fashion trends, so I kind of want to be a little bit girly. So let's talk about girly things. If you're not into that, then just skip this part because, sorry, but this isn't really the part for you, is it? Not really. Let's be honest. Yeah. Sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I would normally look at the screen, but I'm not. Wait, what? I think I said, sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I'm normally looking at the screen. Wait. Oh, I said it right. I kind of confuse myself a lot. Did you know? So, yeah. What's going on with you? How was your morning or night, wherever you are? How is it? Alright, so, yeah. Well, what to say? I don't know. Well, hi. I guess. I don't know. Well, girly things, right. Sorry I had to yawn. Like I said before, it's only in the morning. So yeah. I'm going to be making another video today. This is going to be like... I'm going to be making a, My Little Pet Shop DramaQueen series. If you read the description of my first video, like I said before. I just burped, sorry. You probably remember that I put in there LPS DramaQueen every week. And yes, I did. But I'm going to be doing it today because I can't wait till Monday, tomorrow. I can't wait, okay? I can't do it. So, I might be doing, like I said in there too, I might be doing a little early or late. Probably more like late than early. Because I really want to get it done, or I really want to because it really sounds fun. And I might get late because I don't have enough time because of school and all that. My mom won't really understand. So, yeah. I keep burping. I don't know why I'm doing that. First I yawn, now I'm burping. No, first I burp, then I yawn. I don't know why I keep yawning. This never happens in the morning. Oh, probably because I went to bed at like 12 at night and I'm waking up at 7. I wake up at 7. That's probably the case. girly stuff, I guess. I only have a few more minutes to talk with you, but yeah, this is what my morning's like. I will be doing a morning routine. I don't know when, but I will be doing it soon. Probably pretty soon. But it'll be pretty fun to see what you're up to and, well, see what I'm up to in the morning. And you kind of can already tell what I am up to because, well, you can just tell it. I wake up, go downstairs on the computer. That's all you know. But on weekdays, that's kind of a different story. But I don't want to spoil it for you because I'll be making one on the weekdays. Maybe, because I do have school, so it's kind of going to get a little bit off guard. But when school's in on the weekends, things don't exactly go as planned. It's kinda, yeah. So I sadly have to end this morning vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be putting more stuff in the description. Not as much, but as the last one, but just that. Tell me in the comments what else you want me to do, like videos about what, like if you say Animal Jam, if you know what that is, or Minecraft, because I know what that is, and I have it on my iPad and computer. I'm sorry I keep yawning. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, everyone. And I will hopefully see you in my next video if you continue to watch my channel. And if you do subscribe or like or anything like that, I would really appreciate it. But you don't have to. But if you did, that would really make me happy, and that would make me continue videos like this. But if you don't like it, well, I understand if you don't for a few days, because this is like, no one ever searches up this stuff. I don't know how it gets popular, but some person likes someone, then someone gets popular. They keep doing it. Then other people, and more subscribe, and then you're off doing your 500K, your 5K subscriber thingy. Yeah, so, well, I sadly have to end this. Thank you so much for watching it. I swear, thank you so much. And I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.